Namaste, dear friends and readers. Happy Chaitra Navaratri. Today is the 9th day of Chaitra Navaratri. Today we will be reciting a very small and beautiful hymn which was sung by Andhaka, a demon who realized all his mistakes after being punished by Mahadeva, and he realized that Mahadeva is the All Father and Gauri is the All Mother, and he accepted them as parents. This is a hymn after his transformation. This shows us the beauty that anyone can transform and seek shelter in Mahadeva and Gauri. Even after their mistakes, they are purified and accepted by the kind mother and father. अथांदको महेश्वरीं ददर्श देव पार्श्वगाम् पपातदण्डवक्षितौ नमाम पादपद्मयोः नमामि देववल्लभामनादिमद्रिजामिमाम् यतः प्रधानपूरुषौ निहन्ति याखिलं जगत् विभाति या शिवासने शिवेन साकमव्यया हिरण्मये अतिनिर्मले नमामि तामिमामजाम् यदन्तराखिलं जगज्जगन्ति यान्ति संक्षयम् नमामि यत्र तामुमामशेषभेदवर्जिताम् न जायते न हीयते न वर्धते च ताम् उमाम् नमामि या गुणातिगा गिरीशपुत्रिकामिमाम् क्षमस्व देवि शैलजे कृतं मया विमोहितः सुरासुरैर्यदर्चितं नमामि ते पदाम्बुजम् इत्थं भगवती गौरी भक्तिनम्रेण पार्वती संस्तुता दैत्यपतिना पुत्रत्वे जगृहेन्धकम्. Thus, when Gauri Bhagavati was praised by Andhaka, humbled by devotion, she accepted Andhaka as her son. This hymn was from the 16th Adhyaya of Purva Bhaga of Kurma Purana. Thank you for listening.